Hey, how's it going? I know we don't know each other, but I wanted to take a minute to say hi and introduce myself. So, my name is Amber Fortney, and if you're getting this message, it's because you were just added to my Young Living family. So, I'm really excited. Obviously, whoever brought you in is an awesome leader and is going to take such great care of you. But I wanted to let you know a little bit about me and that I'm always here to help as well. So, my name is Amber Fortney. I have been with Young Living for 3.5 years ish. In October, it'll be 4. I am a silver with the company, and I'm happy to say that as of today, I've helped over 200 families with essential oils, going chemical free, learning more about natural living, which is just awesome. So I'm really excited to have you here. I am a mother of a 4 and a 5-year old, soon to be 5 and 6-year old. So I live a pretty hectic life. My name on YouTube is The Hectic Homemaker, so you can find all kinds of helpful videos there. I'm also one of the admins for our members oily group on Facebook. So if you're on Facebook and you haven't been added to the members oily group, why don't you just shoot me a message, add me as a Facebook friend, so that way I can get you into the group, because the support system and community that we have is beyond belief. It's been so helpful. The group is great to read people's posts, see what other people are using, different recipes, ideas, all the things. So it's just a really good information source. If you don't know how to log into your account, please let me know so I can help you. If you do know how to log in, when you log in, go to your virtual office, click on Dashboard, and there's a tab called Getting Started. That is going to provide you with all kinds of great videos and little blurbs of information from Young Living. From there, you can also go down to Member Resources, and there's YL Center. They changed the name on me, but it's YL Center or YL Central. Which is going to be an amazing resource for you as well. There's all kinds of information in there, so definitely take some time to check that out. Under Member Resources, you're also going to find what's called Link Builder. So you can go ahead and click on that, and that is going to give you a link that if you want to share oils with your friends or family, neighbors, whoever, you can go ahead and just text them that link, and then they can get their starter kit, and then you'll get a thank you check from Young Living for a referral. So it's a really great way to share and let other people that you know experience the power of essential oils. So if you would like to learn more about me, I'm going to do another video about my story, so you can check that out. Otherwise, add me as a Facebook friend. Let's get you into the members group. And again, I'm so happy to have you on our team. Have a great day.